You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these interesting phrases. The spelling of the first word is particularly interesting and a bit confusing, to be honest, but the pronunciation is straightforward. The word victory is pronounced a bit differently in British English and American English. Victory in the UK, victory in the US. The first word is pronounced as Pyrrhic, P-rec. Both syllables contain a short E sound, P-rec, Pyrrhic, Pyrrhic, victory, or Pyrrhic, victory. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.